Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin. I really love to set up my makeup with this powder. It keeps my makeup in place. It also prevents it from creasing. The texture of the powder is super lightweight and really fine melt. As you can see, it stays in the air just for a tiny bit, and that tells you that a powder is super light. And this is exactly why I love this product because it doesn't make me feel cakey or feel too heavy, but also is buildable. So I can customize the layers depending on the makeup look that I'm going for. And I get this by using this puff, which applies a little bit more of the product. But also I can use just my makeup brush and that will be a really light coverage. And that's my point of view.